Movember. Movember. Remember, wait, that's not entirely right. But Movember is for me, I think it's just a really important time for men to open up and get a little bit uncomfortable, or rather get a little bit more comfortable with feeling uncomfortable. And I think the message around Movember is that so many guys do not open up, do not talk, do not handle their mental health, and I think it's a catastrophe. Well, it's already, I was going to say it's a catastrophe waiting to happen. It's already a catastrophe. It's happening. Too many men are committing suicide on a daily basis. I'm pretty sure it's something like 60 a day. 60 men a day, and I think this is just in the UK. 60 men a day in the UK are committing suicide. Oh geez, like I just fact checked the statement I made, and it's even worse. So just here, I'm not sure if you can see, it's Move for Movember. So Move for Movember is you move 60 kilometers throughout November, which is great because not everyone can obviously grow a mustache. There's a lot of women who want to get involved. There's a lot of guys who can't grow mustaches who want to get involved, although you should still get involved. But 60 men an hour across the world die through suicide. So what can you do to get some better mental health? Well, I think exercise is always a good thing. You can just come down and just do some push-ups and just try and let these endorphins take over. Get lost in the present moment and really focus on something else. So I feel like for me, like Movember is one of those crazy months that so many guys could do so much more than what they're doing with their mental health. Like exercise is such a good one. There's countless studies that have been undertaken that prove that exercise helps with both the body and the mind. And on top of that, you've got the ability to meditate. Meditation is incredibly powerful. I've been meditating for maybe 6 years now, and I wouldn't say I've ever experienced mental health. Like I think everyone gets a bit anxious, everyone gets a bit scared, I think everyone gets stressed, definitely feel stress in what I do. Whether it's with my kids, like we've got a third child on the way, that's crazy. Like COVID going on, bringing another child into the world, like that's stressful. Crazy with work, stresses, financial stresses. I think everyone deals with these. And if you don't have some other mechanisms of coping with them, not necessarily just coping with them, but I'm trying to think of the right word. It's not forget about them, it's being able to handle them and to process it in slower time and to deal with it without letting these feelings overwhelm, then I can just see how people can get on such a slippery slope and spiral out of control with mental health. So I think this is a really good month for us beardsmen across the globe to start talking a little bit more. And that's kind of what I hope you get from this video. Like in the comments below, you can definitely talk. You can let us know how you cope with your mental health, or actually if you suffer with, I don't think poor mental health is the right word. I don't think using the word poor before mental health is right. I think everyone has various degrees of mental health, and if it's something that you find challenging, your mental health, it would be awesome to hear that in the comments so that we can try and get a little bit more educated on all of this. That's kind of what I want to achieve in this video. Another thing I would say that you can definitely do throughout this month is grow an awesome mustache. And if you've already got a beard, a decent beard, any beard at all, and you don't want to trim it all off to grow a mustache, that's kind of what the situation I'm in. I don't really want to trim this beard off. If anything, I want to grow this beard out. So I'm definitely not going to be trimming it anytime soon to grow a mustache. What I say is just maybe grow your beard out a bit more. Run 60 kilometers throughout Movember and make sure you donate. I think donating it's probably, yeah, it's probably like one of the most powerful things you can do. But I think as a man watching this video, there's something more powerful that you can do, and that's to take control of your mental and physical health. And there's just so many good resources out there, so many good free resources, and you can find meditations on Spotify, on YouTube that you can do. You can use things like Headspace and Calm. I use Headspace. My employer actually gives it to us for free, which is great, right? Especially at the moment. I think a lot of people are suffering throughout a lot of different COVID lockdowns. Whilst we're here, we might as well quickly cover, if you want to get involved with the mustache, what you need to have done, or what you need to do throughout this month. Because growing a mustache isn't the hardest thing in the world. It's not the easiest thing in the world either. So here goes. You want to ensure you're doing a few things, probably daily. You want to wash your face daily, gentle exfoliation with the fingertips around the mustache and beard area. You want to use some sort of moisturizer, beard oil on the mustache region as well. You maybe don't want to do it every single day. I see a lot of guys talk about using beard oil and products every single day. You probably don't need to, whilst it's quite short. You're probably going to end up clogging your pores up and getting a big old spot like I've got at the moment. I don't know if it's from excessive product use. Probably wasn't, probably just through exercising and other things. If you're going for a longer style or a different sort of style to the sort of ordinary mustache, try and leave your mustache to grow as long as possible this month before trimming it and styling it. You just got more hair to work with, and it will just give you a far better result at the end of the month. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoy Movember. I hope you do something good. I hope you take control of your mental health, your physical health. I hope you donate some money, and we will see you very soon. It'd be awesome if you smash that like button, of course, because as you probably know, it just helps so much with the YouTube algorithm, sends some positive vibes my way and helps me get some more views, which means I can help more of you guys. And I've got this video here. If you decide that you really enjoyed growing your mustache out over this month and you might want to keep it, well, this video is for you. Maybe in a month or two's time when you've got a longer mustache and you want to learn how to trim it and keep a really good shape to it. I'll see you on the other side. Go check that video out and enjoy the mustache.